find a 6-inch vent cap at your local hardware store. The one that I have here is a 6-inch diameter cap, and really this thing can be placed right over your dial damper cap on your Big Green Egg. You don't even need to take it off, so just make sure you put the little handle directly vertical, and then just place this directly over it, over the closed vent. So as I mentioned, it doesn't really impair the ability for the egg to put off the exhaust smoke, and you should be protected from rain on your next big project.